Imagine waking up, sipping your coffee, and checking your investments, only to find that an AI-powered trading bot made you money while you slept. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, welcome to the future. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's a game changer in the stock market. But how exactly is AI revolutionizing trading? Buckle up, because we're about to break it down. Gone are the days when traders relied solely on instincts, gut feelings, or slow-moving analysis. AI has stepped in like a Wall Street wizard, processing mind-boggling amounts of data in milliseconds. Machine learning algorithms analyze patterns, predict market trends, and execute trades at lightning speed, something no human could ever achieve. And the best part? AI doesn't get tired, emotional, or distracted. It just keeps learning and adapting. So, how exactly is AI shaking things up? Let's dive into a few major ways. Algorithmic trading. AI-powered bots scan markets 24/7, executing trades with precision based on real-time data. No more human errors or impulsive decisions. Sentiment analysis. AI can now analyze news, social media, and even earnings calls to predict stock movements. It's like having a financial psychic at your fingertips. Risk management. AI assesses risks better than humans by identifying patterns that indicate a market crash before it happens. Imagine knowing when to exit before the storm hits. Personalized investing. Ever heard of robo-advisors? These AI-driven platforms customize investment strategies based on your financial goals, making wealth building accessible to everyone. But wait, where is all this heading? Experts predict that AI will soon dominate trading desks, making markets more efficient, but also raising concerns about regulation and market manipulation. Will AI traders completely replace humans? Not likely. The best traders will be those who combine AI's analytical power with human intuition. In short, AI isn't taking over. It's teaming up with us for smarter, faster, and more strategic trading. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into trading, AI is changing the game. The question is, are you ready to ride the wave of AI-powered investing? Because one thing's for sure, the future of trading is here, and it's nothing short of revolutionary. That's it for today. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the future of finance. See you next time.